Head in a twist. Eyes in a twist. Knickers in a twist. Hiya, welcome to Easy English. So today I want to play a quiz with you, guessing 10 strange or unusual idioms in the English language that you can use for everyday purpose. Before we get started, are you a subscriber of Easy English? If you're not a subscriber, then click the button below, and if you want to help support mine and Easy's work to continue making videos and podcasts for Easy English, then become a member up here. Don't forget to write in the comments below how many out of 10 you got correct. Here we go. So number 1 is if someone wants to obtain knowledge, information, or advice from you, they can ask to pick your brain. Pick your nose. What? Pick your thoughts. Ah. Huh? The correct answer is pick your brain, or pick my brain if you like. So if I wanted to learn a new chord off of Janusz from my guitar, I could go up to Janusz and say, "Hey Janusz, would you mind if I picked your brain for a second?" Ugh. Okay, number 2 is something that is being ignored but is clearly very obvious and no one's talking about the fly in the room. Tiger in the room. Elephant in the room. So the elephant in the room is something that's clearly making everybody feel uncomfortable, such as your racist granny, or that picture of Prince Andrew on the wall. So for number 3, if you're feeling sick or unwell, you could be described as being under the weather, under the bus, under the hammer. The correct answer is under the weather. So if you're thinking about skiving off work today, then you can call up your boss and say, yeah, I just feel a bit under the weather.
Oh, okay. Well, why don't you take 3 weeks off then?
3 weeks? Yes! Yes, okay, bye.
Bye.
Number 4, if you're not good at dancing, then you could describe yourself as having 2 left feet, 2 right feet, 2 right ears. The correct answer is 2 left feet. So if you're at the club and someone wants to come and dance with you and you're not that into them, you could say, "Oh no, I can't dance. I have 2 left feet. Sorry." Number 5, if you're not paying attention or are easily distracted by something, then people might say you have your head in the clouds, head in the TV, head in the fridge. The correct answer is head in the clouds. So if someone's not listening to what you're saying and they're daydreaming away, you could say, "Hey, get your head out of the clouds." This video is sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easyenglish. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki with this link, go.italki.com/easyenglish to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. Number 6, if you're getting angry or unnecessarily frustrated about something, People might say, hey, don't get your head in a twist. Eyes in a twist. Knickers in a twist. So the correct answer is knickers in a twist. So if someone comes up to you and accuses you of not watching all 6 seasons of Lost, then you could reply, I know, it's shit. Don't get your knickers in a twist. Number 7 is a dark one. If you die, it could be said that you've kicked the bucket. Kicked the dog. Kicked the head. So the correct answer is kicked the bucket. So recently, the Queen, Your Majesty, recently kicked the bucket. Number 8. If you're a direct or very blunt person, then people could say that you call an axe an axe. Here's Mitchie. Call a spade a spade. Call a fork a fork. The correct answer is call a spade a spade. For example, Gordon Ramsay is a bit of a dick, but he does call a spade a spade. So if you release an unintentional swear word in an inappropriate place, you could exclaim, pardon my English. Ah, shit. Pardon my French. Ah, pardon my German. Ah, shit. So if you inadvertently let out some swear words such as you could say, oops, pardon my French. And the last idiom is before performing or speaking to a live audience, people might tell you to break a twig, break a finger, break a leg. The correct answer is break a leg. Thanks for watching this week's episodes. How did you get on? Let us know how many you got correct in the comments below, and if you can think of any more weird, wonderful and strange English idioms. And we'll see you next week. Ta-ra! Here's Mitchie!